We'll be making C clasp. To make this, we need a 21 gauge wire, pliers, cutters, and the markers. It is usually made on the premolars and the molars. We need to bend this wire into a C. In the mesodistal width of the tooth. Now we'll check it. Check the dimensions. It should cover both the embrasure. Now we'll bend in the interproximal area towards the buccal side and then check if it fits. So after this we check it and then mark the contact point and give an occlusal band. After marking, we need to bend it in the occlusal direction using the Adams plier. Once after you have bent, check the bend if it is in the plane and between the tooth. Then mark for the palatal bend so that we can adapt it. Now bend it in a palatal direction. This is how you bend. Now check if it fits the palatal plane, the occlusal plane, and then make the retentive tag. Make the retentive tag. And then place and see if it fits. As it is a retentive component, it should not be actively engaged. 0.5 mm away from the gingiva, fits in the occlusal and the palatal direction. This is how C clasp is made.